Love this video style? Not sure how to create it yourself? It's simpler than you think. Just follow along and see how these captivating clips can boost your Instagram engagement. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generate your image with Leonardo AI. Start by heading to the Leonardo AI website. Click Get Started to sign up. You can use your Apple, Google, Microsoft account, or an email address. I registered with Google for simplicity. Once you're in, choose the image creation option and adjust the settings to match your vision. Paste the prompt text, you'll find it in the video description, and hit generate. In just moments, your custom image is ready. For stunning photos appear for you to choose from, click the download icon to save your favorite. Step 2. Transform your image into a video with Luma Labs. Now, let's turn that picture into an eye-catching video. Go to the Luma Labs website and log in using your Google account. Upload the image you downloaded from Leonardo AI. Next, paste the provided prompt text into the designated section and hit generate. In just a few clicks, your video will come to life. You can preview the result and download it with ease. And that's it. Your creative project is complete. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let's keep creating amazing content together.